Happy morning, students. Coming back to chapter 11 constructions. So, today we are going to see the circle construction. First problem, draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from the center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. First, let us draw a circle of radius 6 cm, and from the center I am going to take a 10 cm now. Naming this point external point as P. I am going to take more than half of the length of OP. Taking this measurement, keeping my compass needle at O, I am going to give an arc on both sides of my line segment OP. Again, keeping the compass needle at the point P, I am going to cut the previous arc, join these two arcs by a line, naming this as M. I have drawn a perpendicular bisector. I am going to take OM distance as my radius. Now I am going to keep my needle on the point M to draw a circle now, so that the circle touches the point O and P. Two circles intersect at the point Q and R. From the external point P, join PQ and PR now. Where my tangents were PQ and PR, so it touches a circle at the point Q and R. Now measure the length of the tangents PQ and PR. Second problem, construct a tangent to the circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also, verify the measurement by actual calculation. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Draw a concentric circle of radius 6 cm to mark an external point P on the concentric circle, now joining OP. To find out the tangents to a circle from an external point P, I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector, now making an arc on both sides of the line segment OP. We are going to join the arcs with the help of a scale. Drawn a perpendicular bisector, now naming the middle point as M. Taking OM measurement and keeping the compass needle at the point M, I am going to draw a circle touching the inner circle at the point R and Q. So this PR external point to R I am joining, and from P to Q, where PR and PQ are the tangents drawn to a circle. Third problem, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. I am going to draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Draw a diameter to the circle now. To extend the diameter on both sides. So I am coming to one side now. So I am going to take the 7 cm from the center and naming the point as P. So this point P will be the external point, which is at a distance of 7 cm from the center. Now we are going to extend the other end of the diameter such that the point Q is at a distance of 7 cm from the center. I am going to take the perpendicular bisector for OP. So more than half of the measure of OP now. Keeping my compass needle at O, I am going to give an arc on both sides of the line segment. Keeping the compass needle at P, cut the previous arc on both sides to join the arcs. So naming that point which touching the OP line as M. take OM measurement. Keeping the compass needle at M, I am going to give a circle now, where the circle touches the point P and the center of the circle, touches the smaller circle at the point S and R to join PS and PR. So I have drawn two tangents from an external point P. Now I am going to draw the tangent for the other extended diameter OQ. So for OQ, I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector more than half of the measure of OQ. To keep the compass needle at O, to give an arc on both sides of the line segments. Keeping my needle on Q, I am going to cut the previous arcs on both sides. Join both the arcs now. So this line intersects the OQ line at the point N. Going to measure ON. Keeping my compass needle at N, I am going to draw a circle now, where this new circle touches a smaller circle at the point T and U to join QUQT. So hence I have drawn the tangents from the external point P and Q, where the tangents from P are PS and PR, and from Q will be QT and QU. Fourth problem. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm where the tangents are inclined at an angle of 60 degree. To draw a circle of radius 5 cm now with center O. Draw the radius OP. So taking a measure of 2 cm in the compass, keeping my compass needle at P, I am going to give a reverse arc. Now I am going to keep my compass needle here. I am going to give an arc. Name this point as Q. Now with the same measure of 2 cm, keeping at the point Q, I am going to cut an arc, cuts on the previous arc. Name this point as R. Keeping my compass needle at Q, I am going to give an arc, and again keeping the compass needle at R, I am going to cut the previous arc now. Naming this point as S. Join PS and extend the line. Going to draw one more radius inside the circle. Naming the radius as OM. Now I am going to draw angle M as 90. Measure of 2 cm. Keeping my compass needle at M, I am going to give an arc. Now keeping my compass needle at the arc, I am going to cut an arc on the previous arc. Naming this point as N. From N, I am going to give an arc which cuts again the previous arc. Name this arc as T. Now again with the same radius, keep the compass needle at N. Give an arc with the same radius. Keeping the compass needle at T, I am going to give an arc which cuts the previous arc. Name this point as U. Now I am going to join MU and extend it. Both these extended line segments intersect at the point V, such that these extended line segment intersects at the point V, where the point V subtends an angle 60 degree. Fifth problem. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm, and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. To take a measure of 4 cm, keeping my compass needle at A, draw a circle. To take a measure of 3 cm. Keeping my compass needle at the point B and radius 3 centimeter, I am going to draw a circle. I need to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment AB, measure of more than half of AB, and keeping at the point B, giving an arc on both sides of the line segment. Keeping at the point, cut the previous arc. I've joined these two arcs by a line segment. This line segment intersects the AB line at the point M. I'm going to take AM measure. Keeping the compass needle at M, I am going to draw a circle with the measure of AM such that this circle intersects the two circles at the point P, Q, R, S. From B, I am joining P, and from B, I am joining Q, where BP and BQ are the tangents to the circle having the radius of 4 centimeter from my external point B. Now, I want to draw a tangent for a circle of radius 3 centimeter from an external point A. I am joining AR and AS. This AR and AS forms the tangent to the circle of radius 3 centimeter from the external point A. Hence, I have drawn the tangent BP, BQ and AR and AS for the two circles of radius 4 centimeter and radius 3 centimeter. Sixth problem. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter and angle B is equal to 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular drawn from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. First, let us draw a line segment BC of 8 centimeter, naming the point as B and C. I'm going to draw angle B is equal to 90 degree. Let us take 2 centimeter in the compass. Keeping the compass needle at B, I'm going to give an arc, and keeping the compass needle here, I'm going to cut the previous arc, naming this point as M. Keeping the compass needle at M, I'm going to give an arc on the previous arc, naming this point as N. Same measure 2 centimeter, keeping at the point M, giving an arc here, keeping at the point N, giving an arc, the previous arc here. Name this point as G. Now join BG line, subtends an angle B is equal to 90 degree. With the measure of 6 centimeter in the compass, I am going to give an arc on the line BG. Name that point as A. I am joining AC line. Hence, I got a right angle triangle ABC. I am going to draw a BD perpendicular from B on AC. Now, I need to draw the perpendicular from B on AC. So, take any measure, keep the compass needle at B and just give an arc on the line AC. Naming these points as E and F. Going to take more than half of the measure of the line segment EF, and keeping my compass needle at F, I am going to give an arc. Keeping my compass needle at E, I am going to cut this arc. I am going to join this arc with B. This line intersects AC at the point D. Now, I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector for BC. Taking more than half of BC length, keeping my compass needle at B, I am going to give an arc. Again, keeping my compass needle at C, I am going to give an arc. Join this arc which touches the line segment BC at the point O. Taking OB measure and keeping my compass needle at O, I'm going to draw a circle now which passes through the point D and C. Join AO now to take the perpendicular bisector for the line OA, taking more than half of OA. I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector in this line which is perpendicular to the line AO, naming this point as O dash. Taking O dash measure, keep my compass needle at O dash. I am going to give a circle. This circle passes through B and O. Now we find that the two circles intersect at the point T. I am naming this point as T. Now I am going to join my A to T. Hence I have drawn the two tangents AB and AT to the given circle from the external point A.